YouTube was, back up, you motherfucker. Be trying to attack me and shit. But yeah, YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? Today's gonna be a little different video today. Today we getting the brakes replaced. I don't know if we're gonna get them actually replaced in this first part of this video. This might be a two-part video. But I'm about to head to AutoZone and give me some Brembo replacement pads, man. My shit's been stopping a little funny, a little janky. We gonna get that shit together, cause my shit can't be stopping crazy, man. We trying to drive safely, not crazy now. Quick little cold start for my battery died on my camera. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Like I said, on my way to this AutoZone to grab me some my Brembo pads. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Do y'all always get Brembo pads back put on y'all shit, or y'all be getting the aftermarket?
At the light, turn right onto Leith Street.
Let me know. Is it a big difference? Is it no difference? The aftermarket is better? Let me know some. Because again, I'm a nigga that don't know too much of shit about shit, man. So y'all really gotta fill me in, or I ain't gonna know, gang. So it's on y'all to, you know what I'm saying, educate
In
me.
half a mile, turn left onto North Franklin Avenue.
Damn, I should have had my window down for that, y'all. Just hit a little tunnel right there, but it's all good. I'll make sure I get y'all together on the way back. It's a little cold still out there, y'all, so I ain't gonna have it too down or nothing like that, but y'all having a good ass day, man. It's looking good outside, y'all. And for the most part, I'm almost back 100%, y'all. Y'all still probably can hear the sickness a little bit on me. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit that's still there, but I feel like I'm 98% good. You feel me? It's just that.
Turn left onto North Franklin Avenue.
It's just that motherfucking car fucking me up.
In half a mile, turn right onto Ridgefield Road. Baseball game going on. That's what's up. Somebody's shoe just in the street. Turn right onto Ridgefield Road, then turn left.
Oh, and look at, we already here, y'all. AutoZone right in my face, man.
Turn left, then the destination is on your left. The destination is on your left, AutoZone. Arrived.
Alright, y'all, let's go in here, get these Brembo brake pads, man. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Please, and it's say
I just want to make sure.
Appreciate you.
It's
Alright, y'all.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Don't know if I'm supposed to go grab the brakes myself or what.
It's, you gotta go down through the curtains down aisle 5, turn to the right, it'll be your second door on the left.
So it's we're at the ball game and the bathrooms are out of order.
Oh,
Figure.
no.
I know. Thank you so much.
You bet.
Michael. Michael.
some of our cheaper stuff is actually kind of quality. Right.
How can I help you, sir?
Where would I find some Brembo brakes pads?
I may have them. I'm not sure. What's your vehicle?
The Challenger SCAT pack.
What year?
2021.
Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. You looking for front, rear, or all the way around?
Is it a way for you guys to check for me and see if I need all four or not, or?
I have no way of knowing.
Okay, well, just for now, just all four, I guess.
Okay, let's see what we got. See if I got the Brembos. I don't know. It has been happening today a lot.
They don't got no brake pads, no Brembos for. Appreciate you, man. All right, so little change of plans. Supposed to be getting my brakes and all this shit. Nigga, we going to the motherfucking car meet. Nigga, y'all know what that mean? I'm back in the doghouse again, y'all. It's all good though, man. I do this shit for y'all, man. I ain't gonna probably be out too long today either, cause I got some bets placed. I'm for sure gonna be back before that Lakers game starts, so.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Avenue A, then take the first right onto East Patterson Street. Turn right onto East Patterson Street. At the next stop sign, turn left.
Went neutral, got out of neutral, hit the gas for some
At the
kids.
stop sign, turn left onto Warren
She was
Avenue.
acting a little janky right there, but it's all good, y'all. It's all good. Gotta always make sure you
In 2.5
Race the car for the
miles,
kids,
arrive at your destination.
gotta embrace the car for the kids, man. If you got a car and you don't be showing off for the kids, man, you a weirdo, nigga. How they supposed to get some inspiration? You know, how they supposed to know, man, one day I'm gonna have a car like that. You know what I'm saying? Shit like what I just did right there, hitting that motherfucking gas, let them know, you know what I'm saying? Shit fun, you feel me? They can acquire this shit too. Just gotta lock in, man. Anybody can have a scatty, man, or a cat, man. You just gotta lock in on what you want, acquire what you need to get it. It's that simple. Stop overthinking shit, make shit happen, man. It's that simple. Less you think and more you act, guarantee more shit gonna get done for you. But overthinking shit, man, that'd be the reason you ain't do shit your whole life, nigga. But what if this, nigga? Shut the fuck up and make it happen, bitch. That's how I do. And if you thought I was finna say it nicer, hell no. Put your ass in the game, nigga. And nobody tell me, nigga, I just had to get it, nigga. What is you talking about? Want something done, nigga, get that shit done, then, nigga. And if you ain't willing to do shit to get it done, shut the fuck up, nigga. Quit crying like a bitch about it. You ain't doing shit to get what you want, you ain't shut the fuck up, nigga. Y'all like probably like, damn, that nigga Jock talking crazy this big. Look, I was just spitting facts to my people, man. If y'all wanna win, do what's required to win, nigga. If you don't give a fuck about win or lose, then get the fuck on. But I don't wanna hear shit when you lose, nigga. You knew what was gonna happen, nigga. You ain't take none of the action, none of the steps to prevent it. So when this shit happen, hey, it's on you. I ain't one of them niggas that's gonna be feeling sorry for you, nigga. Niggas ain't feel sorry for me. You know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't feel sorry for shit about me, nigga. So, that being said, hey. But yeah, man, like I say, on our way to this car meet, shit about to be vibes. Hopefully when I'm up here, my shit be like how it usually do. And niggas don't see no signs of this sickness, and I can just breeze through, man. I'm not trying to have all my symptoms get to flaring up just because I'm outside. Because, like I said, usually it'd be the opposite.
In 1 mile, arrive at your destination.
But yeah, man, like I say, we getting activated today. And y'all, I'm telling y'all right now, y'all send me prayers because my wife be so pissed at me when I be goddamn. Look, this how it really be. I be thinking it's a regular day or something. She done got shit playing in her head for me and shit. So when I do something else, she be mad. But shit, I'm sorry, y'all. When I see a warm, sunny day, I see a day to drive, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. And I love driving. I love being in this car. I just love everything about it. So, of course, I'm gonna, you feel me, take advantage of the days I can, cause man, it's what I got, man. This is what I got. You know? Y'all wanna see something crazy? Whole time I wanted my jelly wrap with the brown in the back, with the cream in the front. Why my nigga pull up with exactly what the hell I? Come on now. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this bitch so gorgeous. But it's supposed to be mine, man. I told nigga Trey, he told me he declined.
He said 30 in the group chat, and it's down there 3:30.
That bitch gorgeous. My boy Prince and my boy and he got the 360 cam on that bit already ready. You feel me? My dog, what's good? I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Just in case now.
Oh, yeah.
You feel me? What's good? Damn, nigga. Fit cold as hell. That nigga got peas on his arm, nigga. Shit. Yeah, that bitch so rough, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah. Oh my God. That be crazy. Shit. Yeah, that be catalyst for sure. That wasn't even my car. I thought they would. That was somebody here. My guy, I ain't seen you since the big change, man. That bitch gorgeous. Fuck. Hold on. Oh, we 3 custom plates deep. Nigga, quit playing. Ew, bro. I mean, come on now. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, nigga.
Outside.
And if y'all did not know, my boy right there, Blasted by Prince, is raffling off this car right here. So make sure y'all enter the raffle. His name is Blasted by Prince on all social medias. Go find it, find a link, enter that thing. Cause yeah, this right here can be yours, man, if you enter that raffle. You feel me? And that ain't a raffle you wanna miss, man. My boy really got the best raffles in Flint. I ain't gonna hold you up. Man, I don't know nobody just throwing out raffles and they giving out cars. So like I say, tap in with him, man, for they big on, man. Shout out to D Steel too for winning the last one, man. Shout out to D. Yeah, this bitch so rough, nigga. Clear hood. You feel me? Clear hood on this bitch. Fuck. What the shit? Turbo on that bitch. Fuck.
Nice.
Rocco, can I get a banner? Can I get a banner?
What banner you want?
Mopar A10. Excuse me, twins. You know what's next, right? Oh, God. You know what's next. Widebody got to come
Hey, no cap. No cap.
Yeah, so I was about to go on a weekend with South, did something 85. And I got
You already got it anyway. You got both cars, bro. Your shit already goes.
I'm trying to be going to that Rick Ross because
Yeah.
car show that bitch stuff. Somebody.
As y'all can see, we got them things out. Another successful car meet. I can't even deny. I'm talking about some beautiful things out here today.
Ain't nobody called me. Advertise here.
Was not expecting to see that much food when I came over here, nigga. Lee, that nigga walked in the chicken place. Let me get everything. Everything.
Bro, you want some chicken?
Shit. All right, Keon, what you rated, man? 5? Yeah. You feel me? YouTube. Tell me something right now. You feel me? Y'all see the vibes on the Disney. Y'all already know the Disney. You know what I'm saying? But look at this motherfucking jacket. My nigga trying to sell this bitch for $70. How much would y'all pay for this motherfucker? Be honest with me. You feel what I'm saying? Look at this bitch. Look at. Hold on, let me show you the detail. Look at the detail. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Metal zip. Come on, nigga. I'm trying to promote. Metal zip. You know what I'm saying? You see it on the hood, and then it's heavy. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that light shit? You know what I'm saying? Come on now. At least a $150 jacket, but we just settle for 100 or something like that. But 70 is crazy.
Y'all follow Versatility LLC, bro.
Y'all heard what he said, man. Follow him, lock in with him, man. But it's that simple. And again, hold on, y'all. That's coming from the motherfucking distant, man. Come on now. Tap in. Appreciate you, my guy, for another successful meet, man. Shout out to my boy Erd again. He always making this shit happen. Wasn't for Erd, we would not be here right now, man. So shout out to my guy, man. Simple. You know I got you. But yeah, man, that's all for today's video, man. If you like today's video, make sure you like and subscribe, man. Quit playing with us, man. Get us up there. As y'all can see, shit's still going on. You know what I'm saying? Lots of cars going on. A lot of car activity going on. But yeah, man. I'm about to take my ass back to the crib. It's that simple. Till next time, people. We out.